Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and today I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to generate an instant list of all the IP addresses that have ever hosted a domain. As we all know, understanding a domain's journey between hosts is the starting point for numerous DNS defense operations. Historic hosting data is useful for all kinds of reasons, from traversing infrastructure to gauging domain risk levels through IP diversity data. If a domain is hopping between hosts at the drop of a hat, you need to know how frequently and what those hosts are. So to get the data, we're going to navigate to Explore DNS Data, IPs hosting a domain, and create new. We're going to use a real-world domain IOC, 0i.pm, which was featured in the Raspberry Robin QNAP campaign. You can use these additional search parameters to narrow the search, or to get an unfiltered list, just click search. So here we have 49 IP addresses associated with 0i.pm with ASN data and risk scores. You can order these results by first seen or last seen. You can filter the results by a specific date, or you can view the raw data and copy it to the clipboard. Silent Push Enterprise users are also able to save and monitor changes to the query, or save the results to a new or existing feed. We can also pivot through the results by left-clicking, reverse a record. So say, for example, you want to look up domains that are associated with any one of these IPs. Look up passive DNS. Here we have an additional 92 domains associated with 70.124.238.72. All of them looking pretty risky. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe for more DNS defense tips. Follow the link in the description to register for a free account. And please email info@silentpush.com with any queries. Thanks for watching.